Why? مش من زمان. بونجور، اهلا فيكم بحلقه جديده من unboxing. لا. Not long ago, you got a comment on one of our videos. Somebody asking you to review the reMarkable 2.
Paper is an exceptional tool for thinking. It lets your mind roam freely without restrictions. It lets you focus without distractions. But what if paper were given digital powers? Introducing the next generation paper tablet. It's like nothing you've ever seen before. Meet reMarkable 2.
Yes, and we discovered reMarkable 2 is very remarkable.
First of all, we discovered that we already had it, and we just hadn't because it was cool. So what is the reMarkable 2? It is a paper tablet. They say it is the closest to writing on paper with a tablet. Obviously, it has an app. It can sync with the phone. Let's open it and see. So we got.
قعدت لخليل ومسكت تفاحة وقعد بالزلط ورسمته. It was really.
بس بعد شوي كان بس خليل لأنه أكلت التفاحة.
خليل مسك تفاحة.
So it comes with this and the marker plus pen, and then we also have a book folio which we will open.
Exactly. ولأن عملكم comparison هنجيب هذا القلم which is very cheap.
لا بس شو قصة okay, hold on, let me just
شوف الفيل تبعه.
Let me just open this first because
ليه العنف؟
لا because this is
بدك ست طقات يعني بتجيب شكله.
Like I like simple packaging.
Wow.
What is this? It's just a piece of paper, which is and this is like a cover for it. So it comes with a pen, which see I like the right. The feel is really cool, and with it we have marker tips. So look, this is really cool. This is the thing where you see of a cool product is they give you marker tips, right? So you can replace them, and they give you this, which is you do this. Right, you do this, and so you can easily remove your marker tip. See how easy?
Okay.
Nice. No, I like products that are well thought. The pen is kind of it's balanced.
Texture تبعه حلو.
And then
it's like carbon fiber, بس ما بعرف. Is it carbon fiber?
No, I think so.
Very light. So heavy.
reMarkable 2, take notes, read and review documents with unparalleled paper feel, designed to help you focus. The marker attaches magnetically, like ink on paper. Convert handwritten notes into typed text. All your work on your devices, etc. So really cool. So we get here. We'll just go through what we see in the box quickly. USB-C, right?
Okay.
Kind of nice packaging, Here you get a reMarkable note, a quick start guide, and some more paperwork. And then you have
reMarkable tablets. Is it a tablet ولا شو يعني؟ هي خزقتها هيك طلعها smoothly.
No, I like to. Okay, right. Okay. Now, you know why? Because then you get to do this, and then you get to do this. So wow. Okay, first of all, hold on. Wow. Like just look at the weight. Like this, it says reMarkable is sleeping. That's it. reMarkable is sleeping. So you turn it on right here. You just have one button. You can have the pen. You have here. It says that this attaches. There you go. So this does attach magnetically to it, and then if we do put it inside the thing, there we go. Right?
Wow, it's مرتب.
So first of all, very مرتب. Let's take it out for purposes of demonstration, but this is actually really cool. Bam. All right. So
new page.
First thing you see is battery here, Wi-Fi. So obviously, I guess I have to connect it to the Wi-Fi here, and now it is connected. So you get battery. So this thing can go a month with one charge. Okay. Storage, you get about 6.41, about 7 gigabytes, which is.
كم ورقة يعني؟
No, that's a lot. The cool thing also is that you can add PDFs or ebooks just in the It's not made to read, right? Because it doesn't have ما عنده backlight.
لا واضح أصلاً منه glossy مات ناشف ليك.
But you can add some books, and I mean you definitely can read with a good lighting.
ايه
right?
بس انه منه معمول للقراءة.
منه معمول للقراءة بس it is يعني you can review PDF files.
المهم أكثر اللي هو ليك خلي خبركم شغلة، الناس اللي من عمرنا نحكي over 40 بعدهم يكتبوا بإيدهم وبنفس الوقت we type on a typewriter. اجى هيدا الاختراع انه انا باخذ نوتس دائما with a pen and paper برجع بنقلهم اوراق، هيدا اجى يحول لك اياها دغري كيف ما بتكتب ومنه اول اختراع بس الحلو فيه انه such a smooth.
Try it.
We did.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Quick sheet. So let's just look when you start a sheet. First of all, you can press here and you have your choice of different pens: mechanical pencil, right? Ballpoint pen, etc. Highlighter. Okay, ballpoint. You can choose your you can choose the thickness: black, gray, white. Obviously, there's no color. You can type if you want to type, right? I'm just saying it's not. You can also use it to type. You can select. You can label. You can have different templates.
Basically, القصص اللي بتعملها بالوورد فيك تعملها فيه.
Okay. بس أول شيء شو الفيلينج؟
It's not.
Paper.
Wow.
So what is cool is you can go right here and send it by mail, present it with screen share on the general. So you can basically do this in the presentation and convert to text. You are watching with Khalid and Salam. Please subscribe. This is really cool. This is really cool. In the app, right? You see. Look, it automatically synced already. You are watching Arabian Unboxing, it automatically synced it, right? And with the app, you can notebook, PDFs, ebooks, so you can add ebooks on the app, and I added these two as PDF, right? And it will automatically sync them, right? You can create folders, etc., etc. And here I can get a great view of everything. So you see the sync is really, and obviously it syncs with your laptop and everything, the sync is really flawless.
في شغله حلوه
erase. Let's erase.
بدك تمحك بدك تمحك هيك من هون بقلب هيدي. Look how awesome is this. تمحيها كأنها عن جد محاية.
And you have and it's gone. And you have another option which is if you can do this, right? And you can
clear.
I think select, tap with marker. Hold on. This is a copy paste. I did.
بتاخذ ترسم الكاريه.
I did copy paste. Let's see. I want to do this, and then I want to cut it or
حطها فوق.
Let's say do this, cut, حطها on. Bam.
It's so هذا they beat the Apple and the Apple Pen فيه صراحة.
Yeah, they did, and then
it's just designed for that thing. It's so compatible.
And the battery will last for up to more than a month. It's the first real good replacement for a pen and paper.
شفته أنا ب$300.
That's it, approximately. Yeah, it must be around 225 to 50. But look, it is a really great replacement for a pen and paper. I'm definitely going to be using this. I'm putting this in my bag, in my everyday bag.
Bravo. Buy it. I highly advise it. This is a great gadget.
Yeah.
Keep it around, especially if you're in the creative business or you're
anything like
engineer.
Yeah, and it's practical.
Very practical.
And it's light.
Apps I'm starting على Apple.
And it will sync with your phone, your laptop. This is really cool. This is really a cool thing.
Exactly. شكرا.
Alright, thank you guys. Thank you Salam. Thank you Salam.
ما تنسوا please subscribe. ابعتوا لنا شو بدكم gadgets نفتحها واكيد انا بخلي خليل يشتريها.